Hey guys, Double J's here. A few weeks ago, we just unboxed the S21 Ultra right here. So today we're gonna unbox this iPad Pro Killer. It also has a name called iPad Pro Killer. This is the Samsung Tab S7 Plus. I just finished unboxing this, so go check it out and I'll see you later. Before I start unboxing, please subscribe to Double J's and stay tuned for the new videos. So let's get started. So here we have the box and it looks slim. And in the back, we can see that there's not much that details. It's only this much. And also I got the 256 GB version, and also this is the non-SIM version, also known as the Wi-Fi. And so let's start unboxing this. It's a little bit hard to open. There we go. So first we have the tab. Let's keep this in the side, and on the side, and we can search for the other things. So here is the S Pen, and this is the updated one. It has Bluetooth in it, which benefits, and it feels very comfortable. Then you got the fast charging adapter, and this is probably the wire for this. Yep, and here is the USB type C wire, and here's the USB. There's nothing here, and the last we can assume it's a manual guide. So let's look at it. And we can see there's like a ejector. This is for the storage, so we can expand this to 1 TB. So here's the quick start guide, the terms and condition. Yep, that's what you get. So here we have the tab. So let me peel this. Yeah, I know it's gonna be really satisfying. So let's peel this. So in the back, we can peel it. Oh, that's satisfying. There we go. And here is the tab. The tab itself, Samsung, the AKG. As you can see that I got the Mystic Black version, and also you can get the navy version and the bronze. So here's a huge 12.4 AMOLED display, and it has a 120 Hz RAID, and here are the huge bezels on the side. So here we can see the 8MP selfie camera, and also when we look at the back, we can see there's like a flashlight. And also there is 112MP, which is the main camera, and the 5 megapixel ultra wide camera. This is supported by USB type C, which you can see it. And also here's the quad speakers, and it's sounded by AKG. This one does not support SIM, but the other versions does. Before I turn it on, we can see that there's a magnetic field right here. So here's the S Pen. So it's like glued in there. Yep, that's a cool feature about this. And now let's turn this on. In meanwhile, here's a SD card slot. You can expand the storage to 1 TB, that's a maximum. And the battery capacity is 10,090 mAh. and which is great, and you can get up to 14 hours of battery life. So let's start. Next is a small time lapse of me connecting the device to the network, setting up the fingerprint, and signing to the Samsung account, and even more. And you're all set up. So wow, and we get a notification, and here are the preloaded tab apps that you get. It's like the basic apps. Oh, that's cool. On this here we can see like the shortcuts. So now we can just try the fingerprint. So here's the fingerprint right here. See, that works. Try it again. There we go. And on the side we can see that we can attach like keyboard and all those stuff. There's like slots here, which is really good. You can do like the S book, the Samsung books. Alright, now we have set up the pen. So now the pen works. It's super smooth. And there are some air actions, like if you do like something like that, it goes back and all that stuff. That's really cool. So there we have. So if you like this video, please subscribe to Double J's, and also thanks for watching. See you in the next time.